Hey everyone, this is Wesley from Astronautech, and in this video we will be looking at the unboxing of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Time to open it up. And once you lift the box from the rest of the box, that satisfying sound. So we get a nice little case. The old OnePlus charging cable with USB-C. And what's supposed to be the warp charger. Yep, really nice. So back to the case. It has a nice little pattern. Time to open up the phone. And have a look at its details. I mean, we took pictures, but pictures can't describe how this looks. And this button is my favorite button on OnePlus smartphones. You can go from audio to mute to vibration within a few seconds. The camera lenses. The bottom of the phone, the side, the top with the noise cancelling microphone, but time to turn it on. So you can copy apps and your data. You can do this from an Android phone, from cloud or iPhone. Time to enter some fingerprints. It's really fast. Okay, the font, Roboto or OnePlus Slate. Navigation gestures. Yeah, let's use gestures. Quite intuitive. Okay, let's see how fast the apps open. Menus seem to open really fast. There's actually an update available. Let's install it. And let's see what the camera is capable of, or well, the zoom. "30x zoom. That's not bad, right? Well, let's see how fast the fingerprint scanner really is. That's not bad, right? Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the written unboxing for all of the images.